Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Michaela and I'm going to show you today how to do a beautiful ruffled scrunchie. So I went ahead and I've got my fabric ready. I've got two pieces of lycra, same same fabric both sides, and I've already pinned both fabrics together, and as well I've marked the center of my strap, right? And next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a straight stitch over where I've marked, so it will be a parallel stitch. This is the elastic channel, so I'm just doing a straight stitch. I'm just moving along just like this. And now I do the other stitch, the other parallel stitch. Perfect. So I've got already my elastic channel, and I'm also ready to unpin all my, well, not all my pins. I will pin just a few of them. And next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my elastic bit. So actually it's a good way to measure your elastic needed by measuring your wrist. So I'm literally just measuring my own wrist. I don't want it to be too tight but neither too loose, so I'm this about. So I'm cutting it like this, and I'm going to introduce my loop turner through. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to secure one end of my elastic. So I'm just practically bringing it until the end, and I will be securing it just like this. So one end is already secured, and now I go ahead and I keep pulling, and I go very careful because I don't want my elastic to be to be twisting inside. So I've got my other end, which I will be securing it right now. This scrunchie is so easy to make and so fun and so beautiful as well in the same time. So now I go ahead and I take all my pins away. All right, and next step, which will be actually placing the fabric on top of each other, and I will be securing the edges. So I go ahead and I'm going to do a straight stitch over about practically 1 centimeter away, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to separate each part. I'm going to separate it in two, but just to be sure, I'm going to go one more time over. I like to be sure that the stitches are secured. So I go ahead and I separate the borders, and I just practically do another straight stitch over them. And I will be doing a straight stitch on the other side. Perfect. And I'm going ahead and I'm going to trim a little bit from the edges because I don't like it to be like too bulky. And for the next step, I'm going to use my serger to ruffle the edges around. If you do not have a serger, I recommend you to do a zigzag stitch. I did show it in my videos of my ruffled triangle top and ruffled bottoms. So I go ahead to my serger and I placed it like this underneath. The settings are 4, just a bit under 4 and a little bit over. I'm using one needle, almost the smallest stitch width, really the smallest stitch length, and the differential feed is on max. So I'm going ahead and the trick on having this beautiful ruffled lettuce edge is by pulling both ways towards you and away from you. So as you can see, I'm pulling towards me and away from me. All right, so look how beautiful it looks already one side. I will be doing the same on the other side off camera. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Happy sewing!